Hey techies, are you staring at your computer or phone screen right now? Thought so. Did you know the average American adult spends 8.5 hours every day staring hypnotically into a screen? Okay, you may not be hypnotized, but with work and your social life being digital these days, it's easy to spend most of your day on a computer. Some computer productivity tricks may just save you some serious time. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on notifications to join us on the bright side of life.
Press Windows key plus arrow keys to resize different opened applications. Windows key plus Shift key plus S to take quick snapshot. Press Ctrl key plus D when simultaneously many applications are open and you have to go back directly on desktop. Press Ctrl key plus different numbers to switch between different tabs, and Ctrl plus 9 for switch to last tab. Use next shortcut you need to activate first. To do so, press Windows key plus V and then turn on. Now you will be able to get your clipboard history. Press Ctrl key plus F to find specific word on the web. Ctrl key plus Shift key plus Escape key to quickly open Task Manager. This will only work on laptops. Slide your 2 fingers on trackpad to quickly move your selection. Slide your 3 fingers on trackpad to quickly switch between different applications. Slide your 4 fingers on trackpad in right direction to open new desktop.
Which of these tricks helped you be more productive while using the computer? Don't be shy. Tell us about your experience in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and click subscribe.
Rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich.